away from social media, and it's a headache just by getting the best time to publish and hashtags, content, algorithms of social media platforms changing rules or something. So the best way here you can run your online business in the long run just by keeping your loyal customers in what's called newsletter. Yes, newsletter. That means you can actually make an email list that contains the emails of your customers and your audience, your target audience. Then you've got to send your regular campaigns. Then you can provide a great value of your content on regular basis like weekly, monthly or something to provide a great value of your content as long as promoting your products if they are digital products, affiliate products, your offers as you want. Then that would lead to get sales and money in the long run from your loyal audience and your target customers. So how we can create a newsletter and get traffic to make people sign up to our opt-ins or our email list. Here in this video, we just depend on two different platforms in this method, Pinterest.com and Threads.com. And of course, in both websites, you've got to follow this amazing formula to make your content in these platforms. This formula consists of 70% of your content just provide value or amazing content, tips, tricks, tutorials, methods, hacks, and so on. This makes your posts and your pins just reach it higher on the search results on the feed so people find you. Then the next type here, 20% of your post just by providing some freebies or giveaways. Here you can get your sign-ups and attract more customers who are interested in your industry and your niche just by providing a freebie or a giveaway. And the third one, just you can direct messaging and direct call to action, join newsletter or just sign up in our weekly newsletter and so on. So you've got to stick to this formula while making your content on those platforms. How people are doing well to get sign-ups and make their newsletter successfully on those platforms. So here regarding threads.com, just you can go to threads.com. Of course, just you can create here an account and just pick your niche and provide your content sticking with your formula as I said earlier. So for example, if you're just interested in parenting niche or coaching, fitness or something, so I can search for something like parenting niche, like this one. Here you can find amazing accounts and amazing people are making threads regarding tips, quotes, pieces of advice, and so on. And some of them just use this amazing method to create their long-run business by building up their newsletter. For example, like this one regarding mental health and growth mindset and so on, and just making this link in bio this website as an opt-in to grab sign-ups and emails of their audience as you see. Her post based on the previous formula, 90% valuable content, 20% about freebies and giveaways, and 10% just directed to join my newsletter at this website. So if you just head over to this website, for example, you would land on this amazing landing page. Just requires you to join mailing list as you see. Perfect. Okay. And another example here, like this one, for as a stay-at-home mom income for make an online niche, and use Beacon's TI as a landing page to make her email list or newsletter as you see. Amazing valuable content and threads on thread.com, and for sure it gives some giveaways, and among of these posts, direct messaging and direct call to action to join her newsletter. And this one, for example, digital marketing UGC creator, And she also uses Beacon's AI to grab and make her newsletter and email list, as you see. And of course, here you can find this sticky to this formula to provide a great freebie or a giveaway. Grab your free course preview here in her landing page on beacons.ai. So if we go to this website, if you go to this URL, here you can find this landing page starting with this freebie, okay, Digital Wealth Academy for free. Then you can find down below a blend of these offers and digital products, affiliate products, as you see. Here you got this idea on threads.com. If you just consistent and to publish posts every single day on threads.com, just by sticking to this formula, valuable content and giveaways and direct call to action to join your newsletter, just in a short period you can find positive results, and email list grows gradually. So that's a story here on threads.com. But what about Pinterest.com? For example, if you go to Pinterest, okay, here you can find this freebie, 10 free printable budgeting templates. So if anyone just go to this attractive Pinterest pin, so go to this link, then you will find this landing page to grab your own email list. And something else like this one, this pop-up message to grab your giveaway and freebie just by providing your name and your email. Okay, and this one in this right panel at the sidebar, here you can find as well this free budget starter kit, as you see. Another example here on Pinterest.com as well, like this one, this valuable content here, 25 easy chicken rice powers to meal preparation. And if you go to this one, urbanmoms.com, where you can find in the right panel this one to stay updated and join our readers to get the latest posts and free printables, as you see. So here in two ways, just you can provide your valuable content and get more traffic to your own website and your store. And for sure, you've got to actually give hint of this newsletter. But direct promotion of your join newsletter directly and continuously on any platform is not effective and not right. So you've got to provide a great value using your threads, your Pinterest pins, and so on. Just announce your newsletter as you see, like this one. And of course, in some posts or some Pinterest pins, you've got to provide some giveaways and freebies to actually get this sign-ups quickly and faster. And last type here, you've got to call to action directly, just join my newsletter. So now this time where we can build your own email list. There are different ways. The first way, for sure, you can create your own email list and your newsletter on amazing free platforms like kit.com. Here you can make your own email list completely for free, even up to 10,000 subscribers. If you look at the pricing plans here, you can find, and it's a free newsletter, 0 per month up to 10,000 subscribers. And unlimited landing pages here by drag and drop. So the first website here, you can build your own email list here, just kit.com. And the second website quickly, of course, is beacons.ai. So you can actually create your account completely for free. And Beacons, I just love so much because one of the best websites. I recommend it to create your own landing page, link in bio, and so on. You can go to link in bio, and here you can find one of these ad block and go to contact form. Then you can select this one, email collection. It could be like this one, as you see. So you can add here your title, your description, and the customer and the visitor just answers his name and his email. So he would be a subscriber of your email list. That way you can create your own sign up form on beacons.ai. And the third way here, you can make your own and build your own email list. beehive.com, one of the best, smoothest ways to build your own email list and newsletter completely for free. beehive.com. And if you are asking if you don't have any WordPress website to make your valuable content on Pinterest, where we can direct people on different free websites, like for example Google site. You can create your own Google site, okay, completely for free, and insert here your article and just inform people to join your newsletter. And of course you can actually publish your articles and your piece of content on medium.com, or using Blogger, the free Blogger, as you see, like this one in this example, this article. As you see this announcement, join my weekly healthy living newsletter, as you see. So, and the end as an example. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.